Hello viewers, Ohio Airgun Shooter here, back with another video. This one will be with the Game Face Model 311. This is a spring-powered airsoft pistol. It's a 1911 replica. This is the full metal version. Game Face does make a plastic version. The Stinger model, I believe it's what, P311. I have that one as well. I actually did a video comparing the two of them. The spring-powered ones seem to have a little bit more power. It got faster velocity. It's much more easier to cock. It just seems a lot looser. This one's very tight. It's very stiff to cock, and it shoots quite a bit slower than the other one. So what I want to do today is just shoot it as much as I can. We'll just run it over a chronograph and try to break it in a little more. And then after the chronograph, we'll just shoot some paper, see where it's shooting, which is usually all over the place. And then maybe we'll try to shoot some mini reactive targets, such as empty 12 gauge or 12 or 20 gauge shotgun shells, maybe some small dinosaurs, and a few others to see if we can knock them over, or even hit them for that matter. But when you're all out of CO2, or you don't want to really shoot any green gas or propane, or you just kind of have other options, you can just jump into some spring gun shooting. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, I'm back with the Game Face Model 311 full metal spring powered airsoft gun. Got the chronograph set up, and I have loaded up 0.12 gram BBs. These are the Walther brand. Let's see what kind of velocities we get. .165.1, 164.9, 165.3. That one did not read. 170.0, 166.6, 169.9, 168.3. I mean, they're steady numbers, just well below the plane velocity of 320 feet per second. That one did not read. 163.4. And we're empty. So, yeah, very weak. Again, it's just spring powered. What else can you say? Let me try some 0.20 gram BBs, see how they do. All right, 10.20 gram BBs. .98.1. 97.3. No, much faster than a Nerf gun. Ooh, 103.7. That one did not read. 100.4. 104.5. 101.2. They're slow, but they seem to be flying pretty straight. 103.4. 102.6. 101.3. That's it. So that was really, really slow, but you can see them very well, and they seem to be flying pretty straight. So I'm curious what the target testing will be like. So let's move on to that. All right, we got a paper target set up at about 6 yards. Be shooting the Game Face model 311. Back to the .12 gram BBs. I don't know how well this will go, but we will see. If I get everything inside the circle, which will be 10 rounds, I'll be surprised. Yeah, those are all over the place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No idea where the 10th is. Let me try the right target. 10 more of the .12 gram BBs. All right, 10 more .12 gram BBs loaded up. Right target. That's it. That one was really ugly. I mean, they're just all over the place. I mean, plus this thing is just so stiff to cock. Let me try .20 gram BBs with a fresh target. All right, 10 rounds, .20 gram BBs. Left target. That was unpleasant. 10 more, right target. That was even worse. I even had, I don't know how, but I saw it come out of the barrel. 3 BBs, one going 3 different directions. That was really bad. So, should I even attempt to try to shoot anything? I don't know. Some mini targets, maybe? Try some of these. Try a couple of these. I'll switch to the .12 gram BBs. See if I can at least knock them over. About 5 of them. That thing is just really unpleasant to shoot. It's just, you gotta hold it back here to cock. Let me back up. I mean, you gotta kind of hold it back here to cock it, but it's hard, so you really gotta grab it. And then when you let go, my hand keeps getting pinched in the port here. This hurts because it's just so stiff. I mean, the plastic ones are much easier to cock. I mean, this you can actually decock. Watch. But you need to cock it here, but it's so strong, so it's hard. You gotta grab your whole hand, and again, it gets pinched in here when you bring it back or just let go. It's hard to do. So you can decock it. So, all right, let me load up the .12 gram BBs and try to knock over those little targets. All right, we'll try some empty 20 gauge shotgun shells with the .12 gram BBs. Got a full 12 loaded up. This thing actually has a BB well. You can fill it up and then just tip them, but I'm just loading them individually. All right, let's see what we can hit. Man, that's really difficult to do. Let me try again. All right, let's try it again. What? Try a few more. All right. So we'll knock that last one down. That was jammed up. Are you kidding me? I give up. We're gonna be here all night. Well, this thing's not a very good, not a very fun thing to shoot. It's a lot of work. Ugh. But I give up. That was bad. I don't know why I even subjected you all to that, but velocity was horrible. I mean, just, it's nowhere near to 320 feet per second. And that's just awful. And that was with 0.12 gram BBs. I mean, there's zero accuracy. I don't know if this came out of it, but that was very, very unpleasant. That was probably the most unpleasant airsoft shooting experience that I have ever allowed myself to endure. I mean, that was horrible. I mean, this thing is just, I saw it on the shelf. I wanted to try it out just to have a little spring powered alternative. I mean, it would definitely make a good prop, but it's very unpleasant to shoot. So I don't know. I definitely cannot recommend it at all. It's just horrible. I mean, maybe this is just a bad one. I mean, it's cool looking and all, but it's just bad. I mean, I had BBs just as I cocked it, they would come out. It would shoot 3 at a time. One would go one direction, another would go another, and it was just horrible. I mean, I would shoot 2 BBs at a time. So, really bad. I definitely can't recommend this. Thank you for watching. I'm so sorry you had to witness that. But, hey, if you come across one of these, do not buy it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.